Have you ever wondered how much data can be stored in just 100 KB? Let's take a stroll down memory lane. Remember floppy disks? Those square plastic relics that could hold a whopping 1.44 megabytes of data? Or how about CDs, with their 700 megabytes of storage space? We've come a long way since then, haven't we? We've leaped into the digital age where data is the lifeblood of our daily lives. It's in the songs we stream, the pictures we snap, the messages we send. It's in the documents we work on, the videos we watch, the apps we use. Now, we have hard drives that can store terabytes of data and cloud storage that seems virtually limitless. Yet, the need for efficient, compact, and reliable storage methods is still very much a pressing issue. Why, you ask? Well, because the world's data is growing at an exponential rate. Every second, every minute, every hour, we are creating, sharing, and storing data. Now imagine a technology that could store gigabytes of data in an area no larger than a postage stamp. A technology that's not just compact but also efficient, and can be accessed without an internet connection. A technology that's not just a concept, but a reality. Welcome to the world of Drick Code. So, what is this Drick Code we're talking about? Well, it's a revolutionary concept that's set to change the way we store data. Born in Brazil, the Drick Code is a two-dimensional code that has an impressive ability to store digital data. Imagine this, a code that weighs only 100 kilobytes yet has the capacity to hold up to 2.1 gigabytes of data. Sounds impossible, right? But that's exactly what the Drick Code can do. It's like fitting an entire library into a single book, or a whole movie into a tiny snapshot. But how exactly is this achieved? The magic lies in a mathematical model known as Monte Carlo. This is an algorithm that takes the binary code of one or more digital files and converts them into a Drick code. It's essentially a process of compressing a massive amount of data into a minuscule space. The result is a code that's visually similar to a QR code, but with a storage capacity that far exceeds any existing technology of its kind. But what makes the Drick code even more remarkable is its versatility. This code isn't just confined to the digital realm, it can be printed on any flat surface, a piece of paper, a t-shirt, even the side of a building, and that's not all. To decode and access the data stored in a Drick code, all you need is a special app and any smartphone camera. And here's the kicker. You don't even need an internet connection. That's right, you could be in the middle of a desert, or on top of a mountain, and still access your data. It's like carrying your personal cloud storage with you, wherever you go. So, the Drick code isn't just about squeezing a large amount of data into a small space, it's about making that data accessible to anyone, anywhere, anytime. It's not just about compact storage but also about accessibility and convenience. Now, you might be wondering, how does this Drick code work? Let's break it down. The magic of Drick code begins with the binary code of your digital files. You know, those endless strings of ones and zeros that make up the digital universe? Much like a master linguist, Drick code takes this binary language and translates it into something else entirely. Enter the Monte Carlo method. This mathematical model, known for its applications in fields from physics to finance, becomes the translator's secret weapon. With Monte Carlo, the binary code is converted into a two-dimensional Drick code. The result? A compact code that, despite weighing in at a mere 100 kilobytes, can store up to 2.1 gigabytes of data, but the magic doesn't stop there. This Drick code isn't meant to be locked away in a digital vault. No, it's designed to be out in the world. That's why it can be printed on any flat surface. Think paper, plastic, metal, even the side of a building. The possibilities are only limited by your imagination. So you have your Drick code printed out. What next? Well, you'll need a smartphone camera and a special app. With these tools at your disposal, you can decode your Drick code almost instantly. And the best part, you don't even need an internet connection. That's right, your data can be accessed anywhere, anytime. It's as if you're carrying around a high-capacity hard drive, but instead of a bulky piece of hardware, it's a simple printed code. In essence, Drick code is more than just a method of storing data. It's a way of transforming data, making it portable, accessible, and secure. It's about bringing data into the physical world, while keeping it readily available in the digital one. With Drick code, your data is not just stored, it's transformed into a portable, accessible, and secure format. Now let's delve into the potential of this remarkable technology. The Drick code, a Brazilian-born invention, stands on the precipice of bringing about a revolution in the realm of digital data storage. It's not every day that we stumble upon technology that houses the potential to redefine our engagement with digital data. Yet, here we are, exploring the realm of Drick Code, a technology that manages to compress a staggering 2.1 gigabytes of data into a compact 100 kilobyte two-dimensional code. However, the creators of Drick Code haven't stopped there. They envision a future where the technology's capacity could balloon up to a mind-boggling 72 gigabytes. Imagine having the ability to store, in printed form, the equivalent of dozens of high-definition movies or tens of thousands of high-resolution images, all within a single Drick code. Now let's take a moment to consider the potential applications of such a technology. Think about remote areas without internet access. With Drick Code, important documents, educational resources, or entertainment could be printed on any flat surface and accessed instantly with a smartphone camera and a special app, all without needing an internet connection. In a world where data breaches and privacy concerns are ever present, Drick Code could provide a secure alternative for document storage. By storing sensitive information offline in printed form, it could potentially reduce the risk of cyber threats. Moreover, Drick Code could play a crucial role in reducing electronic waste. With the ability to store massive amounts of data in a printed form, we could significantly cut down on the need for physical storage devices, thereby reducing our electronic footprint. As we stand on the brink of this digital revolution, it's clear that Drick Code is not merely a storage solution. It is an innovative technology that could fundamentally alter how we interact with, store, and access digital data. The Drick Code is not just a storage solution but a potential game changer in the digital world. In the vast world of data, the Drick Code stands out as a promising beacon. This unique invention from Brazil embodies the potential to revolutionize the way we store and retrieve digital information. With the ability to transform binary code into a two-dimensional Drick code, it's a game changer, storing an astonishing 2.1 gigabytes of data in a mere 100 kilobytes. The magic behind this technology is the Monte Carlo mathematical model, a brilliant algorithm that enables such a massive data compression. But the marvel doesn't stop there. Drick Code can be printed on any flat surface, making data storage as convenient as never before. And the decoding? As simple as a click of a smartphone camera using a dedicated app, and voila, your data is ready for use, even without an internet connection. The applications of such a technology are limitless, from data backup to secure information transfer, and much more. The creators of the Drick Code have even more in store. They anticipate expanding the storage capacity to a staggering 72 gigabytes in the future. Imagine the possibilities that such a leap in data storage could unlock. It's truly mind-boggling. As we look towards the future of data, one thing is clear. The Drick Code is poised to make a significant impact. So, let's watch this space as we navigate through the thrilling world of digital data storage.